Hi, welcome to Real Estate with Jess. I'm Jessica Socci-Seifert, real estate agent with EXIT Elite Realty, and today we're going to take a tour at 2042 Acadia Greens in Kings Point, a 55 and older retirement community here in Sun City Center, Florida. Welcome to this immaculately upgraded Acadia 2 expanded Kingston condo, ideally situated on the 8th hole of the Scepter Golf Course within the sought-after gated retirement community of Kings Point, located in Sun City Center, Florida. Upon entering through the screened entryway, you'll notice that this spacious 1,322 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, split floor plan condo comes with a bonus room or office with direct views of the golf course. The spacious kitchen with granite countertops is full of supplies, so it doesn't require much packing at all to move into this well-maintained, fully furnished home. The dining room is spacious enough to extend into a 6-person seating arrangement. You will find hardwood floors in the main areas of the home, ceramic tile in the kitchen and baths, laminate flooring in the primary suite, and carpeting in the guest room. This open split floor plan offers plenty of privacy when entertaining guests. The spacious primary suite, also with a golf course view, is equipped with a private ensuite bathroom with a convenient step-down shower and has an extra long walk-in closet. The open living room has hidden French pocket doors that can be closed for additional privacy to the office or den, where there is an exterior door to access the wraparound lanai, which has a separate covered outdoor area perfect for grilling outside, which can add a touch of elegance while entertaining your guests. Just look at this beautiful view from the lanai. Here's the perfect place to grill outside under cover. As we exit the lanai and walk out onto the 8th hole of the Scepter Golf Course, remember that this is a fully furnished condo, where the seller will even include their well-maintained golf cart with a full price sale. Also, enjoy peace of mind and hassle-free living with this turnkey home, knowing that this home is enhanced with a platinum appliance package covered by a transferable KPW warranty. The fully stocked kitchen is a culinary haven, from pots and pans to baking tools, and yes, even a Keurig. There's not just an eat-in area, but also a comfortable counter-height 4-person breakfast bar. There's convenient access to the nicely sized laundry room, and the laundry room leads you into a 2-car garage, which comes with a well-crafted workbench where additional storage can be accessed via the pull-down stairs, and even has a sliding screen door on the exterior of the double-door garage to enjoy nice evenings without letting in the bugs. Remember that this well-maintained golf cart is included with a full-price sale. Indulge in the Kings Point resort-style living with access to indoor and outdoor pools, a fitness center, pickleball and tennis courts, clubhouses for arts and crafts, delectable dining options, and a vibrant calendar of planned activity. Don't miss out on this must-see property that is pet-friendly and is one of the few associations in Kings Point that welcomes VA loans. Schedule your showing today and prepare to embark on a lifestyle of unparalleled comfort and convenience. Thanks for joining me today on the tour of this pet-friendly condo. Someone else decided to join too. So call me at your convenience for results that move you. This is Jessica Socci-Seifert with EXIT Elite Realty, 813-382-7187. I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.